Let's make a cheesy baked spaghetti. It's going to kind of look like lasagna when we're done. I'm going to use spaghetti here. I broke it in half. I have half a package or 8 ounces. You can use whipping cream, white pepper, but you can use black pepper, seasoning salt, regular salt, an egg, a butter, some Monterey Jack cheese, and here I have some American cheese from the deli that I'm going to shred up. And let's get started. I have greased my baking dish with butter that I'm going to bake the spaghetti in. And I'm heating up the water to boil the spaghetti. And I have 3/4 cup of heavy cream and the 1 egg. And I'll go ahead and mix this up while my water comes to a boil. I'm going to take half of this spaghetti and place it in here. You kind of have to guess at it. And we're going to top that with half of the American cheese. I have about a half a cup here total of American cheese, so about 1/4 a cup on here. And 1/4 a cup of the Monterey Jack Colby Jack cheese. Have about a half a cup. We'll put the rest of the spaghetti on here. The spaghetti is cooked, practically done, just barely under al dente. Just barely under all the way done. And I did rinse it. Once it got done cooking, I drained the water and rinsed it. Add the rest of the American cheese. Spread that out the best you can. Rest of the Monterey Jack. Looks pretty good. We'll sprinkle it with some seasoning salt. Some of the white pepper. You can use black pepper. That's all you have, that's fine. I just didn't want the black spots to appear. Next is the heavy cream mixed with the egg. Milk does not work. Half and half does not work. You need to use the heavy cream. Then this is the butter that's melted, half a stick. I'll pour this over. It's going to be good. It really is. You'll see. Then my oven's coming up to temperature 325. I will put this in my 325 degree oven when it gets hot. Here it is out of the oven. It baked for 35 minutes. I'm going to let this cool down about 10 minutes or so. Let's dig into this and serve up a serving. fantastic. A little bit crispy around the edges. Mmm. So good. You have to try this. It'll make you smile, make you happy. And thank you so much for watching.